Cursor AI Setup. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your browser and type in 𝗕𝘂𝗀𝘀𝗀𝗀 in the address bar. Once the website loads, create an account by filling in your name, email, and password in the registration form. After successfully creating your account and logging in, you'll be taken to the Cursor AI homepage. From there, locate and click on the download option to start downloading the setup file. The download should begin automatically and save the installer to your computer. Once the setup file is fully downloaded, open it and proceed with the installation process. When the installation is complete, a basic setup interface will appear. Click the Continue option to move forward. The next screen will prompt you to import visual code extensions. You'll be given two choices: use extensions or start from scratch. Select the one that fits your needs. After that, you'll be shown data preference options, where you can choose between enabling privacy mode or allowing Cursor to help improve its service. Finally, log in using the account you created earlier. Once you sign in, Cursor AI will launch and be ready to use.